Want to capture your audience's attention and turn viewers into loyal customers? Discover the power of professional whiteboard animations, doodles, and explainer videos that engage, inspire, and drive action, all in stunning 4K quality. In today's fast-paced digital world, standing out is more important than ever. That's why we specialize in creating dynamic, high-impact videos designed to make your message unforgettable. Whether you're simplifying a complex idea or showcasing your unique value, we bring your vision to life through creative storytelling. No matter your industry, technology, healthcare, retail, education, we craft custom videos tailored to your needs. Every project is unique, ensuring your story is told in a way that resonates with your audience and aligns with your goals. Our approach is simple yet powerful. We create content that engages your audience, educates them about your product or service, and ultimately converts them into loyal customers. It's not just about making videos, it's about delivering results. Using cutting-edge tools and techniques, we deliver videos in stunning 4K resolution that look sharp on any device. From sleek designs to seamless animations, every detail is crafted to leave a lasting impression. Here's how it works. First, we collaborate closely with you to understand your vision. Then, our talented artists bring your ideas to life step by step. From initial concept to final delivery, you'll be involved every step of the way to ensure your complete satisfaction. A group of diverse doodle characters gathers around a screen watching a completed video. One claps, another gives a thumbs up, and a third shares.